Baby girl. I know you're watching this with your messy winter hair tied up in a random claw clip, pretending everything is fine, but your hair is literally begging for help. So sit back, relax, and let me take care of you today. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to talk, just listen, feel, and let this routine give your hair the love it deserves. Let's start with warmth, okay? Warm a little oil, coconut, almond, rosemary, whatever smells like comfort to you. Just warm, not hot. And when that warm oil touches your scalp, baby girl, your roots soften instantly. Massage it slowly, gentle circles. Let all the stress melt out of your scalp. Winter makes your hair dry, dull, tired, but this moment brings it back to life. Let the oil slide down your strands, all the way to the ends that winter always bullies first. Now while your hair is soaking in that warmth, we're making a winter repair mask. A spoon of aloe vera, a spoon of honey, some conditioner, a little coconut oil. Mix it until it turns creamy and smooth. Apply it from mid-length to the ends. Coat every strand like you're covering it in love. Let it sit for 20 minutes while you chill, breathe, and exist. When you wash it out, use lukewarm water. Baby girl, hot water might feel nice, but it steals your moisture, steals your shine. Dilute your shampoo in a cup of water. This tiny hack saves you from winter dryness instantly. Massage your scalp gently, fingertips only. Treat your hair like the queen she is. Rinse slowly. Let the water run through your hair like a soft winter stream. Now clip your hair up, apply conditioner, and wrap a warm towel around your head. You just created a salon treatment at home. 10 minutes of this and your hair goes from help me to I'm alive again. When you're done, squeeze your hair gently with a towel. No rubbing, no violence. We're soft girl era only. Apply a leave-in cream or serum while your hair is still damp. Focus on the ends. Your ends are your attitude, your shine, your vibe. Let your hair air dry at least 70%. And baby girl, if you use heat, don't even think about skipping heat protectant. We're not letting winter take everything from us. And here's my favorite soft girl trick. Take a spray bottle, add rose water, mix it with 3 to 4 drops of almond or coconut oil. Shake it. Now lightly spritz your ends. I look expensive for no reason. Before you sleep, comb your hair gently, add a few drops of serum on the ends, braid it loose, and sleep on satin. Your morning hair will thank you. And baby girl, once a week you oil, once a week you mask, once a week you steam. Stay consistent and winter won't even know your name. Your hair will stay soft, shiny, thick, and too gorgeous to ignore. So, baby girl, if you want more cozy faceless routines like this, more soft girl glow-ups, more long aesthetic videos, stay right here. This is your winter hair transformation era, and I'm guiding you through it.